Hello friends and welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you liked my video. Today I'm going to make a vase out of newspaper rolls. To start, I'm getting a piece of newspaper and start rolling it. I will need like around 30 newspaper rolls for this project. To make the base, I will start rolling the newspaper rolls around each other and use a glue gun to secure them into place. And while I am done with the project, I will use paper glue to cover all the areas so it shouldn't get apart from each other. So now that the base is done, I will start rolling the newspaper upward. And once I have reached to a minimum height that I want, I will start using a ball and roll the newspaper around it to give it a round shape. So the first part is done. For the second part, like for the top of the vase, I'm going to use the ball upside down and I'm going to start rolling the newspaper around it. And now I will attach both of these parts with each other to make a complete vase. So now you can see like the top part is empty. So I'm going to start doing the third part of the vase, which is like the top part. I hope you like this project. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Share your ideas in the comment with me. This is how the full vase looks like, and now I'm going to paint it all gold. Also, I was thinking like the vase is done, but it looks like incomplete, so I'm going to make few rolls. These are the rolls that I made, and I'm going to attach them on the top and the bottom of the vase. Thank you so much for watching.